right, so we are currently at the Franz Josef Glacier. It's a beautiful day today, so you can really see it, which is awesome. You can see the wind kind of blowing the snow around up there. But we had an issue with our blow-up mattress last night, or a couple of nights ago. It's leaking, which means that we have to go to a warehouse and pick up a new mattress, and the closest warehouse is Queenstown, which is 4.5 hours away. So we're gonna just drive through Fox Glacier, and we're not gonna really hang around the Franz Josef Glacier because last night it was a horrible sleep and we really need to get a mattress, and that's tops priority. It is a bit of a longer stretch than we're used to. How you doing?
Good.
Bad sleep?
Yeah, on the rocks.
All right, cool. We'll see you in a bit. Okay, $2.62 per liter here in Franz Josef in the South Island. That is very expensive and the most we've seen. We didn't get a chance to eat, so I got a couple of pies. I got a bacon and egg pie. I got a mince and cheese pie. I'm gonna have the bacon and egg, you're gonna have the mince and cheese, okay? I also bought some Waddy's tomato sauce, or as we call back in Canada, ketchup.
I will let you know that the tomato sauce, or as you call it in Canada, ketchup, is delicious.
Let's rock and roll. 4 hours, 4.5 hours, we got this. The last like 3 hours of driving have been just absolutely insanely beautiful. The landscape is like breathtaking, some of the nicest landscapes I've ever seen probably, and we obviously caught a really nice day. You know, we started out without a cloud in the sky. Just beautiful, beautiful weather. So yeah, we're pretty blessed to have caught a day like this on a travel day, especially driving through all those mountains and lakes and valleys and stuff like that. So we just got gas at what, $2.49? $2.47. Anything under $2.50 is gonna be good at this point in the South Island. My feet are really itchy from all those freaking sand flies. So after picking up our blow-up mattress in Queenstown, we decided the Queenstown adventure would have to wait. Instead, we decided to venture to Bluff, the southernmost tip in New Zealand. We're here in Bluff. This is one of the most southern parts of New Zealand. We were in Cape Reinga a couple of weeks back, and we were in the northernmost part, so.
1401, Cape Reinga.
Oh yeah. Today we go through to Dunedin, and we go through the Catlins, so today's gonna be a fun day. Just taking a couple of days off, just chilled. A vacation on our vacation, so to speak. So wasn't feeling too hot with my allergies. They really started to light up a little bit when we were in Queenstown, so we did just a small stopover in Queenstown. So. All right, so we're off to the Catlins today. We're gonna drive through the Catlins to Dunedin, and we're gonna stay one night in Dunedin, and then we're gonna make our way back to Queenstown eventually. So then we'll finish off the last 3 months of our working holiday visa, and then go on to the next country, which we don't really know exactly what it's going to be because we need to save some money. Might be a small Southeast Asian country, but we don't know for sure yet. So hopefully we'll make our way to Australia where we can visit our friends, but we will see when that time comes. On to Dunedin. Drove through the Catlins Forest Park, and I'm not a fan. Not a big fan at all, to be quite honest. It's like all gravel road. We were worried about the car the entire time. Nothing really that exciting, to be honest. A lot of it's like logging roads in BC, where we're from. So I guess if you're from other places, then it's nice, but we've seen it all before, so yeah. This is what happens when you drive for long periods of time on a really beaten up road. First order of business is we're probably going to get a second day on our campsite, so we have enough time to go and get our tire fixed. We are going to go ask the receptionist if there's Wi-Fi so that we can research ourselves, or ask her to help us out with a closest tire shop. Hopefully it's in the vicinity. I know we shouldn't be driving on this, but I'm not going to pay like an exorbitant amount for a tow truck to come and give us a tow, so. Okay, let the adventures begin.
What time are you going to leave here then?
Well, I think we're going to come with it.
Which one are you on? You're in the wee block?
We're in the...
Oh, you're here at the tent side. Right,
So we might just buy another night. Just so there's no stress and we can...
Okay. Well, sorry, I'll Google this and I'll show you exactly where this place is.
Yeah, sweet.
Okay.
That's not reflecting, it's hardly vulnerable, and you shouldn't.
Well, we're just gonna buy a new tire.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah. We'll just spend the $100 and buy a new tire.
Yeah, you might.
Because it's.
How many more Ks are you doing? Are you just starting your trip or not?
No, we're near the end.
Oh, okay then.
Is that on right?
Yep.
Okay.
Better stop it now. Oh,
I don't think that.
Yeah, no, sure. Here you go.
Gonna work. Yeah, just have to do that.
Thank you.
Well, yeah. Yeah, so I'd say that
Thanks, John.
Morning workout.
No, we've already done this on this trip.
Yeah,
We did it with the back left.
but we appreciate your help.
It's tiring, it took it out of me. That should be good to go to get us to the tire shop. All right, to the tire shop. Yesterday when I was coming home from uploading, it didn't feel good at all, and then I knew it sitting overnight was just gonna be completely flat when we got up this morning. So this is probably one of the best innuendos is just pump up using a bike tire. And actually, I pumped it up enough that it's not even pulling to that side very much. So, it's awesome. That guy, awesome. So we kind of knew this, but we had to change our tire about 4 months ago. So one of them's been changed. The other three are not good, very bald. So we asked him if we had any secondhand tires, and he happened to have 2 in the back that are compatible with our vehicles. So we're changing 2 more of them for $75 a piece, which I think is good. That's a steal of a deal. So we'll have 3 out of the 4 that are great, and then when we sell it in 3 months, we'll have to come up with another plan, maybe get another secondhand tire somewhere. So we're gonna go walk around for an hour and a half and wait till this tire situation fixes itself, or he fixes our tire situation.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Babe.
It's just hot chocolate.
She goes to turn the camera off, and she goes with her coffee.
Sticky. Can we go to New World? Is there a bathroom there?
Yeah, I don't know where that is. She goes to turn the camera off and flips the whole coffee onto her. I'm sorry, that was my fault too because I asked for the hot chocolate, so. There is Starbucks in New Zealand. So,
Look at this.
yeah, that looks good.
$15.
Yeah.
I really need plaid and red. Okay, that's one thing. I might get a couple.
So we had to go into the first clothing store that we saw because Jess obviously spilled the hot chocolate on her shirt.
Check it out.
No bueno. Let's see it.
Do digs. Got this.
We've just come back from the store and Jess has bought a whole new wardrobe, so there you go.
$27.
Alright, so we picked up our vehicle and it literally feels higher. Like there's way more air in the tires. The car has always been pulling to one side just a little bit, and if you look, it's not pulling at all. It's like driving like a champion right now, so.
New car.
Yeah, it feels like super fresh.
No, not here, the next one.
Oh my goodness. That is a really steep street. Like, I seriously don't know if our car can make it up there.
Oh my God.
How am I gonna turn around though?
It just goes straight up.
Should I give her? I don't know if it'll.
No, I don't think we should do that.
We probably couldn't capture it on video because just the way that the angle was, but I strongly think that that street is too steep to drive up for this car. This street's very, very...
Get a running start.
Okay, here we go. Oh, it's no exit.
Oh,
Oh man, this is gonna be like Austin Powers.
do you want to walk it?
No, are you kidding me? Let's go get beer.
Yeah.
Screw this. We've decided to come to New World because we don't want to hunt down a liquor store. We just want to get beer and we just want to start drinking it, so. Oh, here we go. Just grabbing some strawberries. Sweet.
Strawberries and beer.
Are you doing wine?
I'm definitely gonna get some wine.
Okay, what we're looking for is we're looking for something cheap, we're looking for something crisp, we're looking for something cold. That's what we're looking for. Maybe if there's anything with a deal on, we could look at something like that. Nothing less than 5% alcohol. I think I'm gonna do an import. Carlsberg. $20.65. Cheaper than Canada. Let's do it. Just got some wine. We are ready to rock and roll, and I just want to say that the people in the South Island are absolutely amazing. We have not had one miserable, bad, feeling crap person since we've arrived in the South Island. And even in the North Island as well, we had a lot of awesome people that we met in like the campsite and stuff. So New Zealand people are insanely hospitable, and just amazing. So we appreciate that, being from Canada. All right, let's go. Let's head home. Let's have a couple of wobbly pops. Taste a treat.